Human forces, 20 minutes, 8 points. Many of the muscles in your body are used to move bones. Muscles in your body work by pulling. They are very strong and are able to produce large forces. If you have bathroom scales, do this activity. Don't use kitchen scales, you may break them. If you don't have bathroom scales, do the other task, muscle forces, on the next page. You are not expected to do both. How strong are your muscles? Carry out an investigation to measure the strength of different muscles. Use bathroom scales marked in kilograms and convert the reading to force by multiplying by 10. The pictures show you how to test your arm muscles. Push both fists down on the scales as hard as you can. Stand away from the table, the scales are on, and press with your hands and straight arms. So this is your strength test. Both arms, bent arms, left arm bent, right arm bent, both arms, straight arms. That's the reading on the scales in kilograms, and then you multiply by 10 to give the force reading multiplied by 10 in newtons.